Life is what you make it. So let's make it.
What's up, guys? It's your girl. I'm back with another video, and today we are cooking. We're going to be cooking some jerk Cornish hens. My birds are going crazy right now. We are about to head to the garden so that we can get some fresh thyme and check out and see what else has been growing over there, because it's been a while since we planted anything, since we've really been actively in the garden. So today we're gonna do it. Let's go. So we made it to the garden. This is the garden that I help manage. All of our crops are like going. But here are some carrots. Maybe we'll get a carrot. Maybe we'll get a carrot. I'm making carrots tonight as well. What? Yo, that's a good one. That's a good carrot. Okay, we're taking this home. They grew together. We are about to leave the garden, go back to the cribbo so we can cook up that jerk Cornish hen with some veggies and stuff. So yeah, let's go.
Alright, so you will need some onions, some peppers, and some fresh garlic, or you can just use minced garlic, whichever you have accessible to you. Here are the seasonings that I use to achieve the flavor of the Cornish hen. Preheat your oven for 350. Let's get into these freshly cleaned Cornish hens with our fresh seasoning and our thyme from the garden. Alright, we are going to go in with our black pepper. Make sure that we season both sides with our pepper, and make sure we season both sides with all of our seasonings, okay? We want this Cornish hen to be very flavorful and very, very juicy and delicious, all right? So we're going to take all of our seasonings and make sure that we apply them on both sides, all right? Make sure that you're not going too heavy with the garlic, salt, and the adobo, because they both have salt in them, and the jerk seasoning also has salt in them. So be cautious of this for my diabetics out there, my people with high blood pressure and things like that. We do not want to risk your health for a good meal, okay? So be cautious, okay? Be cautious, but be mindful that you still do want this thing to be flavorful. So we're going to take our bell peppers and put them inside. We're going to take our onions and stuff them inside, and our garlic and stuff them inside. And you can't forget about the thyme that we picked up from the garden. We're going to put that in there as well, okay? So that the flavors come from the inside out. We are going to take some olive oil, add that to our hen so that when we apply that jerk seasoning, it sticks pretty good. Now we have lathered the Cornish hens. We are getting ready to jerk our Cornish hens, okay? It is stuffed and ready to go. Now, me personally, I love spicy food. I love spicy food, so I use the hot and spicy. But this brand does offer mild. So I would suggest, if you do not like spicy, do not get the hot and spicy. I would suggest you getting the mild seasoning. You still get the full jerk flavor. It's just in a mild heat. Okay, so we are going to lather up this Cornish hen and make it do what it do, because we love a good Cornish hen, okay? Especially if it's jerked. Jerked and well seasoned, okay? So we are going to lather it up with our jerk seasoning. We are now going to take our garlic, our onion powder, and our accent seasoning and add some of that inside of our Cornish hen so we can get that flavor from the inside out. We are going to add our peppers, our onions, our fresh garlic to the pan, because that also will add some more seasoning to our jerk Cornish hens. All right. We are adding 1 cup of water to our pan. We are not covering our pan, and we will be cooking our Cornish hen for 2 hours, okay? For 2 hours, we will be basting our Cornish hen and letting that thing do what it do, all right? And we will have this beautiful, succulent, juicy Cornish hen at the end.